What if budgeting didn't need a spreadsheet, an app, or a finance degree? There's one rule that makes budgeting almost impossible to mess up. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. Welcome to Savora Finance, where we make money make sense. Let's break it down. Here's the idea. Take your income after taxes and split it into 3 buckets. 50% goes to needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes to wants, eating out, entertainment, hobbies. And 20% goes to savings and debt payoff. That's it. No complicated categories, no tracking every single dollar. Needs are things you can't skip. Rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments. If it would cause a real problem to not pay it, it's a need. The goal is keeping this bucket at 50% or less. If it's creeping past that, your lifestyle might be bigger than your income. Wants are everything that makes life enjoyable but isn't essential. Dining out, streaming services, shopping, travel, hobbies. This bucket exists on purpose. Budgeting isn't about cutting out everything fun. It's about giving fun a boundary so it doesn't eat your whole paycheck. This is the bucket that actually builds your future. It covers your emergency fund, retirement contributions, investments, and paying down debt faster than the minimum. Even if 20% feels like a lot right now, start with what you can, 5 or 10%, and build up from there. Start by finding your monthly take-home pay. Multiply it by 0.5, 0.3, and 0.2 to get your 3 numbers. Then track your spending for just 1 month to see where you actually land. Most people are surprised. Their wants bucket is bigger than they think. And that's exactly the point of doing this exercise. The biggest mistake: treating this as exact and rigid. Some months, your needs will be 55%. Some months, 45%. That's fine. This is a guide, not a law. The second mistake: ignoring the savings bucket first and hoping there's something left. Always set that 20% aside first, not last. That's the 50-30-20 rule. Simple enough to start today, flexible enough to actually stick with. Try it for just 1 month and see where your money is really going. If this helped, hit subscribe. Savora Finance is all about making money make sense. Let me know in the comments what your numbers looked like. See you next time.